Hello Story Chasers, this is Amber, and today I'm going to be reviewing this Grand Design Solitude. It's a fifth wheel behind me. I'm over here at Lazy Days in Elkhart, Indiana. So if you're interested in any of the things that I'm showing you, go ahead and look in the description box and click on the link to the Lazy Days website. They've been so amazing to help me out over here. In particular, talk to Brad over here. He has shown me all of these cool RVs and things that I can check out so I can bring this information to you guys. All right, let's get started. So we have the Solitude S-Class. This is a fifth wheel that you can see here. Now I've never personally towed a fifth wheel, but here it's not too hard and it's actually more stable than a traditional pull trailer. We've got lots of storage down here. Let's check this out. Okay. Now that's interesting. So when you pull it up, you can see there's this curve right here for the door, but you've got this little magnet hanging down that connects just like that. And wow, look at that storage. Lots and lots of storage here in the front. I think I would probably build a complete solar system and put in there so I can be more off-grid. You can see the stabilizer jacks down there. Oh, this is the propane tank. Big, huge propane tank. Let's see, 40.4. That's pretty big. And more storage down here. You can see it also has the magnets above that catch the door. This is a pretty big door to raise. Ooh, and heavy, so you don't want to hit your head on that for sure. And whoa, look at that. Amazing pass-through storage. Tons of storage over here. You've got your hoses for electrical hookup. You also have an outdoor shower hose. There's your outdoor inlet for your shower. AC for outdoor entertainment if you'd like. Got a nice big slide over here. The door that goes in on this side. And also a big awning up here as well. Okay. Looks like we have another door. We have another door over here. This thing is huge. All right, we're gonna go through the front door and check it out. These stairs are really, really long and pretty stable. This is Arctic insulation, so a 4-season RV. Front here, sounds solid, doesn't it? Fully laminated. Oh, that is solid. That's nice. So this is pretty standard in a fifth wheel. As soon as you walk in, you've got these steps up that take you to the bedroom area and the bathroom. You have a nice big bedroom. I think that almost looks like a king size. Huge, huge closet space in here. I can't turn the lights on. Sorry guys, it's not hooked to electric. We have a dresser. Lots of space and storage. Also a TV in here. Lots of natural light from windows. So that's on a slide over there. We have a bathroom. Oh, this is really nice. I love the finishes. This dark finish on the shower head and the frame. Big skylight. I could take a shower in here. Beautiful. Lots of storage again. More storage over here. We have hooks for your towels and robe. Toilet. Nice toilet. Looks like it was probably winterized. Your vanity. Lots of storage in here. I like this setup too. So we've got this neat little small sink. I like the small sinks with a bigger area for your stuff in a kitchen and a bathroom. So unique design here too. The water flows out. More storage. So nice big bathroom. All right, we're gonna go down the steps. Look at this huge, huge pantry. It's even got a door on it. Lots of storage. It's nice and heavy too. Really solid. More storage over here for your buffet area. Little areas maybe to put bills or paperwork. Everything has got this nice lip on it too so things don't fall out. Space to put more things, you know, your cell phone. You've got 2 USB chargers over here so you can charge your technology. More storage and drawers. And that's the breaker box. Okay, and this huge, huge refrigerator. Look at this thing. It's a Norcold freezer here and a freezer on this side. So you have 2 areas. You also have 2 compartments for your inside of your fridge. Nice and big. Can really load up on this thing. Over here we have a 3-burner cooktop. It's a gas stove, so you just pull that back, cook on your 3 burners. An oven. Very nice. I like having an oven. I don't have one in mine. Oh, big, huge storage underneath the oven too. Also a good window. Not quite the view right now. We're in a RV sales parking lot, but just imagine looking out that window onto nature. Got a microwave up here. It's a convection oven microwave. More storage up here. Additional storage to the left. Underneath your counter, you have even more storage for pots and pans. Instant pot, whatever your heart desires for cooking. And then look at this huge, huge island we have here. It's beautiful. Nice and solid. We've got the sink with these inserts again. It's not one single deep kitchen sink. It's actually 2 split, but still very deep and nice. Have these inserts that you can put on. Leave one on, leave one off. Even more storage under the kitchen. You see how I have to pull on that? I mean, those locks are heavy duty. More storage space in here for your cutlery and utensils. AC units, GFCI also. Ooh, and look back here, we've got bunk area. So you could have guests, kids, family. So there's one, there's another one. You could actually put 2 or 3 kids up there, or even adults. That thing is huge. Really, really big. You've got the ladder to get up in there. And then underneath it all, you have another bunk. That's pretty big too, with more storage for clothes, for the kids, for guests. Underneath this bunk, you have a big, huge couch to sit on, relax. More storage down there with a little net to keep things from moving around. And you have another bathroom back here. Very simple guest bath. Just a vanity with a sink and a toilet. No shower. But there's that extra door that we saw earlier. So you can get in and out right there. So it's kind of like a mother-in-law's suite, right? You can close these barn doors for privacy. And it locks right here, so you just have to unlock it to open. And there you have it. It's closed. Kids, parents, whoever is in there, and they have their privacy. They have their own little bathroom, and you have yours too. Then over here we have beautiful, beautiful recliners. You have one little cup holder. What's this? Oh, you've got a USB. You've got lights. This is the controls for the recliner. Lots of windows over here too. And your bench seat area. So this is quite nice too. Nice solid table, it's not moving. You have some storage underneath each bench seat. Over here, just lift those up, got storage. The ceilings are very high. We've got our ducted AC and furnace. We have these beautiful hanging lights just right by the skylight, which brings in more natural light. There's our AC. And then we also have a fan as well up here. Get some of that hot air out. More controls for everything inside here. Lights, tanks. So you can see you have plenty of light. Got some marine grade speakers out here for some entertainment. Equipped with tire link, tire pressure and temperature monitoring. That is super nice. Okay. Have more storage out here. Oh, now that thing is hydraulic. Holy. I was not expecting this. It's okay, I want to close that again. You can see the hydraulic lift on that. I could feel it as I was pulling it up. So it's down. I'm gonna barely pull on it and watch this. It pops up pretty fast. But you have an outdoor kitchen. So you have a refrigerator. You have more space out here for all your dishes and glasses. It's huge in there too. Some lights out here when it's nighttime, you can see what you're doing. Cable and satellite hookup, AC power. You've got this huge, huge counter space to prepare food. A kitchen sink, I like that. More storage under here. And then we've got this outdoor grill. Let's see if I can figure this out. Oh, you just pull on it. We've got a nice outdoor grill. Could hook up to your propane tank right there. Slide it back in, it locks in place. And then we gotta close this huge door. I cannot believe how big this thing is. And that door is great because if it is raining, it'll cover you while you're out there cooking. Nice big ladder to get up to the rooftop. Got your receiver hitch here if you want to put anything on the back, like some bikes. Now you can see over here your slides. This is the slide for the guest area in the back where the recliners were and the couch. Nice big windows again. And then that is the slide for your bedroom. There's additional storage. So there's the storage that we saw earlier on the other side. It's the pass-through. And then you have all of your hookups, city cable, water, flush. It's all here, guys. You have your auto leveling system. And then we have another propane tank. All right, guys, that is it for the Grand Design Solitude fifth wheel. I wanted to give you guys a good comparison. On my channel, I talk a lot about minimalist living and vans and tiny spaces. This is definitely not that, but what I do may not be for you. So this just gives you an idea of something else that you could possibly get. All right, guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, consider subscribing. I do van tours, RV tours like this, and also you can see my travel vlogs and find out how to find boondocking spots and all things about travel and RV life. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.